NFTs have taken the world by storm, and everyone wants a piece of the NFT pie. From huge celebrities to huge companies to just regular folks like you and me, everyone is talking about how to make money off of this 21st century gold rush. There's actually more than one way though, and that's what I'll be sharing with you in this video. If that's something that you're interested in, then do stick around until the end. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is something that you'd like to know more about, then go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below so that you're always up to date on these things. And with that said, let's get started. To start things off, let me quickly define what an NFT is. And let me also quickly say that if you're looking for an in-depth explanation of how it works, then this isn't the video for you. Because instead, what we're going to be talking about today would be a beginner-friendly way that you can make some legit money passively using NFTs. Alright, so NFTs are non-fungible tokens, or essentially digital assets that hold value. So similar to how physical art is considered a value-holding investment, so are NFTs. And this is through a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a digital ledger using blockchain technology to establish proof of ownership. Now that we have that down, let's quickly go through how people have been making money off of these non-fungible tokens. So the first and most obvious way is by selling digital art. And just a quick trivia, the most expensive NFT art ever sold was priced at $530 million. There is some controversy about the sale, but let's not dive into that right now. I just shared that bit of information with you so you can see the clamor for it. That piece of art, by the way, just looks like this. And I personally think that it's insane how something that sold for that much money is available on Google for you and me to look at, just like that. The second way to make money off of NFTs is by buying and selling, or simply trading, digital art. And you can do both of these things on NFT marketplaces. The biggest one is called OpenSea, but there are other ones too, like Larva Labs, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, etc. Okay, the third way is through NFT gaming. And the fourth way, which is what we're going to dive into today, is something a little bit different. And before I reveal what that is, let me give you a hint. They say that one secret to wealth is by shifting your mindset from consumer to producer. And this is the part that I want to focus on. I want to teach you the business model wherein during a gold rush, such as this one, instead of joining the miners as they dig for gold, selling shovels is actually the surest way to make money. Now, obviously, this is a metaphor for present-day NFTs, but did you know that in the real gold rush of 1848, a man named Sam Brannan was actually the first millionaire from the gold rush, and he made his money not by mining gold, but by capitalizing on what he knew miners would need. He sold them picks, shovels, and pans. True story, guys. So keeping with the metaphor, while cashing in on gold that you find during the gold rush would be incredible, selling picks and shovels will generate steady revenue streams for you month after month after month. So how do you do this? Well, it's actually really simple. Because you already know that people are talking about and searching for NFTs, then you can look at it as some sort of modern-day gold rush to make money from. I mean, despite it being around for some time already, you'll see that NFT keywords are still being searched on an upward trend. Come to think of it, that's probably how you found this video in the first place. So you might want to take a look at the actual keyword that people are searching for, and if you type in NFTs, you'll see that it still gets millions of searches each month and that the competition is really low. And you know that when the competition is low for a hot topic just like NFTs, then the opportunity to gain eyeballs and attentions and subscribers is huge. In fact, on the YouTube search bar, you can simply type in NFT space, and YouTube will already tell you what people are actively searching for about that particular topic. So instead of buying and selling NFTs, what you can do to make money off of them without any cost to you is to start creating content about the subject, start getting some attention and building a following, and making real money from it. Again, this is how, instead of mining the gold, which is what most of the world is doing, you sell the shovels by producing the content about what they want to listen to. This doesn't have to be just about NFTs. This can be about any trending topic that's highly searched for, which you can be a part of before or when it blows up. When you take it seriously, you'll start making some real money. And instead of spending money investing in things to keep up with the trends, you can invest in yourself by building an audience, building a following that you can actually monetize, and that will allow you to earn money passively and steadily. So just start by creating content about it. There are a lot of free keyword research tools that you can use as a basis to figure out what exactly people are looking for and what you should create content about. Like I said, YouTube alone will tell you what's hot. When you start making money from this, then maybe you can consider taking it up a notch by investing in paid keyword research tools. But really, you can use and maximize free resources at your disposal to keep you on top of things. Keep in mind that anything that's popular with low competition, you can pretty much leverage to give you the attention that you need to build a base, a following if you will. The name of the game is attention. If you get attention and an audience, you can pretty much sell anything. Take Elon Musk, for example. He can blow up the sales of things like cryptocurrencies with a simple tweet. Heck, because of Musk, there's even a token called Floki, which is the name of his dog. So once you start building an audience in the NFT territory, then you can push your business forward by becoming an affiliate partner to the different NFT marketplaces, even cryptocurrency marketplaces like Coinbase, or even different crypto products like ledgers and whatnot. Just basically maximizing your audience and your reach. Again, the best and easiest way that you can earn from NFTs is not by creating products or trading them. It really is by creating content around it because the demand is high and the competition is low. If you got any value whatsoever from today's video, then please let us know what you learned and what you want to learn more about by leaving a comment down below. Also share this video with your friends so you can start working together on your way to financial freedom. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, then please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so you can count on me to deliver more content your way. We do have a ton of other videos waiting for you on our channel, and I'll leave some links in the description box down below so you can check those out easily after watching this. Alrighty then, I do hope that you get started on this today because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. Stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again on the next one.